So last class, last class we were discussing about frequency of that spectrum. Frequency of spectrum. Visible ആണോ ബോർഡ് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ
Miss.
പൊസിഷൻ ഒക്കെ ഓക്കെ So there are two main frequency of spectrum as we have discussed. Slow frequency of in spectrum or whole spectrum and frequency particular frequency. We have one particular frequency of TC. In this TC, we can transmit two symbols. Suppose. So here, two symbols are transmitted on one particular frequency. That is TC. So basically, in slow frequency Hawking spectrum or Hawk spectrum, several symbols are transmitted on each frequency Hawk. Each frequency Hawk, several symbols are transmitted. So several symbols on each frequency Hawk. That is several symbols on each frequency Hawk. That is here several symbols, that is symbol rate is greater than Hawk rate. RH denotes the Hawk rate and RS is the symbol rate. RS is the symbol rate and RH is the Hawk rate. This is the Hawk rate. So here symbol rate, because on one frequency Hawk several symbols can be transmitted. So symbol rate is greater than this Hawk rate. Symbol rate is greater than Hawk rate. So symbol rate RS can be denoted by RS is equal to 1 by TS. And RH can be denoted by RH is equal to 1 by TC. So this can be written as RS is equal to 1 by TS is equal to N into 1 by TC. This greater than sign into that. So we are representing in terms of an integer. That is, we are representing RS is equal to RS is greater than RH. This is that symbol rate is greater than Hawk rate. Symbol rate greater than Hawk rate. So this can be written as RS is equal to N times RH. So basically we can take RS normal in the 1 by TS on. So N times 1 by TC. That is our RS is equal to now 1 by TS, RH is equal to 1 by TC. So this 1 by TS is equal to N into 1 by TC. So this can be written as TC is equal to N into TS. TC is equal to N into TS. Very clear or no? Okay. So if n equal to 2, then we have our relation TC is equal to N into TS on. This is our relation for this low frequency Hawking. If n equal to 2, then our TC is equal to 2TS. That is one chip duration, we have two symbols. Two symbols are transmitted. So from this relation, if n equal to 2, then TC is equal to 2TS. Then on one chip duration, we can transmit two symbols. 1 chip duration 2 TS. So we can transmit two symbols. If n equal to 3, then it will TC will become TC is equal to 3 TS. So on 1 chip duration, 3 symbols can be transmitted. In relation to China, how many symbols can be transmitted in one symbol duration? 1 chip duration in relation. So n in the value depend that many times we can that many symbols we can transmit on 1 chip duration. That's this relation mean. So for a slow frequency hopping, processing gain PG 2 raised to K on. This is our processing gain PG. On the left type net issues undo. Okay. Processing gain PG 2 raised to K on. K or it is the length of the PN sequence. Length of the PN sequence. PN sequence in the length this K. Processing gain PG for the slow frequency 2 raised to K on 2 raised to K. And here K is the nothing but the length of the PN sequence. K is nothing but the length of the PN sequence. So if there are K successive bit, then the frequency synthesizer, we have studied the block diagram of PN encoder. That here we have a frequency synthesizer which is supplied by the PN sequence and it is given to the mixer. Output of the mixer, we get the spreaded signal, PSS signal. So this is from the MFSK block. Binary data is coming to the MFSK block, and to the MFSK block we have a frequency synthesizer and MFSK block in the output. It is given to a mixer. So this frequency synthesizer is applied this PN sequence. So if we have a K length PN sequence that is K length PN sequence this frequency synthesizer can produce 2 raised to K output. That is, this frequency synthesizer can produce 2 raised to K. Clear or no? Okay. So basically MFS binary MFSK modulator. So that output FN spread MFSK output MFSK signal spread binary data spread that will be narrowband signal. So this narrowband signal is multiplied or mixed with this spreading code to convert into wideband signal. That is our spreaded signal. So if frequencies we have a PN generator, it is supplied to a frequency synthesizer. So frequency synthesizer and the output depend upon the length of the PN sequence. That is, it depend upon K. If the length of the PN sequence 3 that is PN sequence may be 101, 011. So if the length, the PN sequence the length 3 this frequency synthesizer can produce 2 raised to 3. That is 8 output, 8 combination of this 3 values can be made by this frequency synthesizer. That is, if PN sequence in the length 3 it can produce 2 raised to 3, that is 8 output. This frequency, if PN sequence in the length 3 this frequency synthesizer can produce 2 raised to 3, that is 8 output combination. 8 output combination. We'll see that. We'll see with one example. Suppose K equal to 3. That is, our PN sequence length equal to 3. We are assuming that our PN sequence length equal to 3. And let it be our PN sequence. That is 001, 011, 011, 001, 00. this let this be the PN sequence, that is 001, 011, 011, 001, 00. This is the PN sequence. So if it is length is 3, because it consists of 3 bits, so length is equal to 3. Now, the carrier, that is frequency synthesizer output, can be 2 raised to 3, that is 8 output frequencies in that. There will be 8 combinations with respect to these 3 bits. So, k successive bit of PN sequence and output carrier frequency, that is the output carrier frequency means the output of this frequency synthesizer. So there will be 8 combination: 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110 and 111. These are the 8 combination of output. So correspondingly it will be F0, FC0, FC1, FC2, FC3, FC4, FC5, FC6. So one more combination is there. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. FC0, FC1, FC2, FC3, FC4, FC5, FC6, and this is FC7. So, these are the k successive. If k equal to 3, there will be 8 combination, and these are the corresponding output carrier frequency. Up to this clear or board clarity and so remember, this is the carrier frequency and this is our PN sequence. Now here we are in the modulator, we are using MFSK. M-array frequency shift keying are used in this modulator side. That is, in the modulator side, there is binary data is given to an M-array FSK modulator. So we have in the input we have MFSK. In the input we have MFSK. So MFSK, let M equal to 4. Let M equal to 4. So we have the binary sequence 00, 01, 10, 11. This is our binary data sequence. This is our 4 possible binary data sequence. Here, for M-array FSK, let M equal to 4. This is the binary sequence, 4 possible combination of binary sequence. PN sequence 3. So we have 8 combinations of this 3-bit sequence. The 8 combination. So similarly, here we have M-array FSK on a modulator side. So M equal to 4. We have binary sequence of this 4 combination, and the corresponding frequency will be Fi. Fi will be F0, F1, and F2 and F3. This is the corresponding binary sequence of this 4 combination on 00, 01, 10, 11, and corresponding Fi F0, F1, F2, F3. So we have got the values for this Fi and Fci. Fci is another from the frequency synthesizer. Fci is the frequency synthesizer. Fi is another from the modulator frequency synthesizer. Here is the operation. Here, Fi is another. We have 4 combination F0, F1, F2, F3, and Fc is another. We have 8 combinations starting from Fc0 to Fc7. Now we will take our binary data. Let our binary data be 01, 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. Let this be our binary data. Let this be our binary data. So we have, for this binary data, we have 4 combinations: F0, F1, F2, F3. F0 nana 0 0, F1 nana 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. This was our 4 combination. So now we can divide this into this frequency. That is starting with the 0 1. 0 1 F1. So this is our F1. And 1 1 this is our F3. So this is F3. And next 2 bit F3. And next 2 bit F2. And next 2 bit F0, F2, 0 1 F1, F3, F2 and F2. That is our binary data in terms of this F0, F1, F2 to convert it. Is it clear or no? Clear or no? Ellarum, Harita, Parvati, Deepthi, Jasim. So, we binary data. Binary data in terms of this frequency, we convert it. And next, PM sequence length 3 ആണ്. PM sequence length 3 ആണ്. So, നമുക്ക് മുന്നേ എഴുതിയ PM sequence എഴുതാം. So, 001, 000 was the first frequency. നമ്മൾ മുന്നേ എഴുതിയ PM sequence ആണ് ഇപ്പോൾ എഴുതുന്നത്. So, 011 was the next frequency, 011 was the next frequency, 001 and 001. This is our PM sequence. So based on this PM sequence, we have 8 combinations of frequency. So this 001 it corresponds to FZ0. 001 it corresponds to FZ0. So this FZ0 frequency we have 2 symbols sent. That is, we are sending these 2 symbols. And next PM sequence is 011. 011 that was FC3. We have 8 combination FC0, FC3. So, this is the PM sequence. It can differ. In the PM sequence, that depends upon the transmitter. Encoding is PM sequence selected. For 3-bit PM sequence, 8 combination. It is 3-bit PM sequence. Our 8 combination, that is 2 raised to 3. It is 8 combinations. So, 8 combination corresponding to number FC0, FC2, and FC7 where denoted. So, this 000 is FC0. The 011 is FC3. Next again 011 is FC3. And 001 is FC1. Next again FC1. This is the assumption of PM sequence. So basically, we have a binary data. This binary data we F0, F1, that is F5 which is represented. Then a PM sequence. This PM sequence we have 8 combination represented. That is in terms of frequency. So binary data F1, F2, F3 are terms represented. That is F5 in terms represented. And PM sequence FCI. FCI, that is F0, FC0, FC1, FC2, up to FC7. A the combination we represent. So this 2 is clear. So we are now representing the hoping. Hoping is so this is our time and this is our hoping. This is our time and this is our hoping. So we have relation TS is equal to 2TC. TS is equal to, sorry, TC is equal to 2TS principle. So here TC so this is TS, this is TS. Yeah, this is our first TC and this is our 2Tc, and this is our 3Tc. So നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതൊരു ടി എസ്, ഇതൊരു സിമ്പിൾ ഇന്റർവൽ, ഇത് വേറൊരു സിമ്പിൾ ഇന്റർവൽ. അങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് സിമ്പിൾസോളം ഈ ഒരു ടി സിയിൽ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അതായത് ഈ ഒരു ചിപ്പ് ഡ്യൂറേഷനിൽ നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് സിമ്പിൾ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. അതാണ് ഈ റിലേഷൻ ടി സി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 2Ts. And this, let it this be our FC0, പിന്നെ അതിൽ FC01 അല്ലെ F0, F1, F2, F3. ഇനി FC1 and F0, F1, F2, F3. FC2, F0, F1, F2, F3. FC3, F0, F1, F2, F3. FC4 ഇങ്ങനെ പോകും. ഹോപ്പിംഗ് ഗ്രാഫാണ് വരക്കുന്നത്. So in this hopping graph, we have time in x-axis and hopping in y-axis. So we have Tc here in the x-axis, and we have Fc1, Fc0 this in y-axis. So first we are sending what? We are sending Fc0. We have Fc0. ഇവിടെ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഈ pn sequence നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ first we have Fc0. First we have Fc0. So Fc0 എന്താ നമ്മൾ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Fc0 we have F1 and F3. Fc0 we have F1 and F3. So this is Fc0. So Fc0 first symbol F1. Fc0. So Fc0 first symbol F1. So Fc0 എടുക്കുക. അതിലെ first symbol F1. So this is our F1. And next symbol is F3. So ഒരു സിമ്പിൾ ഡ്യൂറേഷനിൽ ടി എസിൽ നമ്മൾ F1 റെപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്യും. പിന്നെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് സിമ്പിൾ F3. So this is hopping. ഇതാണ് hopping. ഒരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസിന്ന് വേറൊരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസിയിലേക്ക് ഹോപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. So first we have Fc0. So we are taking this Fc0. Fc0 നമ്മൾ എന്ത് സിമ്പിൾസ് ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? F1 ഉം F3 ഉം. So first TS നമ്മൾ F1 ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും, നെക്സ്റ്റ് F3, നെക്സ്റ്റ് F3. And similarly next sequence എന്താ? Fc3 ആണ്. Fc3. So next symbol duration we are taking this Fc3. ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ Fc3. Fc3 ൽ എന്താ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? 1 ഉം 1 0. That is F3 and F2. So this is our corresponding Fc3. So here we are transmitting F3, that is F0, F1, F2, F3. F3 for first duration and F2 for next. So similarly next next Fc3, again Fc3 ആണ്. So Fc3 ൽ എന്തൊക്കെ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന? F0 ഉം F2. So this is our F0 and this is our F2. So നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കാണുന്നതാണ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി ഹോപ്പിംഗ്. ഒരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസിന്ന് വേറൊരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസി, അതിന് വേറൊരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസി, അതിന് വേറൊരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസി, വേറൊരു ഫ്രീക്വൻസി. സോ ഓരോ സിമ്പിൾസ് ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും ഓരോ ഫ്രീക്വൻസിയിലാണ്. ഒരു സിമ്പിൾസ് ഒരു ചിപ്പ് ഡ്യൂറേഷനിൽ രണ്ട് സിമ്പിൾസോളം നമുക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഒരു ചിപ്പ് ഡ്യൂറേഷനിൽ രണ്ട് സിമ്പിൾസോളം ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആണ് Fc0. Fc0 കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് രണ്ട് സിമ്പിൾസ് ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. വൺ ഇൻ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F1, വൺ ഇൻ ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F3. That is ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F1 0 1 ഉം ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F3 1 1 1. സോ ടു സിമ്പിൾസ് ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് ഒരു ചിപ്പ് ഡ്യൂറേഷനിൽ. സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് അഗെയിൻ Fc3 1 1 1 0. സോ 1 1 കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് Fc3 ആണ് ഇവിടെ എടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് അവർ Fc3. Fc3 കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ട് F0, F1, F2, F3. സോ അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള F3, അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള F2. സിമിലർലി നെക്സ്റ്റും Fc3 ആണ്. സോ Fc3 ഇവിടെയാണ്. സോ Fc3 ഫസ്റ്റ് F0 ആണ്. സോ F0 പിന്നെ അതിന് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള F2. സോ ദിസ് ഗ്രാഫ് വിൽ ഗോ ലൈക്ക് ദിസ്. ഇത് ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? Deepti, Ashwita, Parvati. Okay. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഹോപ്പിംഗ് സ്പെക്ട്രം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഹോപ്പിംഗ് ഗ്രാഫ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ആ ഒരു ഡീഹോപ്പിംഗ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് കാണിച്ചത്. ഡീഹോപ്പിംഗ് കേസിൽ വി ഹാവ് TS 2TS, അതാണ് നമ്മളൊരു TC എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. പിന്നെ 3TS 4TS, അതാണ് നമ്മൾ 2TC. And here we have F0, F1, F2, F3. So first case we have F1 ആയിരുന്നു. So TS F1 പോവും. പിന്നെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് കേസിൽ F3 ആയിരുന്നു. സോ നെക്സ്റ്റ് F3 പോവും. പിന്നെയുള്ളതിൽ അഗെയിൻ F3 ആയിരുന്നു. സോ F3 അഗെയിൻ. പിന്നെയുള്ള F2, സോ F2 അഗെയിൻ. പിന്നെയുള്ളത് F2 കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ F0, സോ F0. സോ ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡീഹോപ്പിംഗ് നടക്കുന്നത്. Here we have dehopping. So in dehopping we are representing in terms of F0 and TS. F0 and TS. So first we have F0. F0 first we have first symbol duration TS and TS we have F1. The binary data ingane 10 11 11 10 00 etc. So this our F1, this is F3, this is F2, F3, this is F2, and this is F0 and F2. So I'm going to represent first is our F1. So we have F1 for this symbol duration TS and F3 for this symbol duration TS to 2TS, and from 2TS to 3TS we have again F3. That means the concept. From 3TS to 4TS we have F2. So this is represented by this, and for this 4TS to 5TS we have F0. So this is represented by this F0. So this is our dehopping spectrum. Is it clear ആണോ? Clear ആണോ?